to another video. Today we have the Tesla Model 3 and we have my friend Rocky. Rocky is a good German Shepherd and we're gonna see if Tesla Autopilot will save his life in the event that you're not paying attention, Rocky runs out and Rocky gets hit. But we have a Tesla, so hopefully that's not gonna happen. Let's see. Will Autopilot kill Rocky? No. It's picking it up as a person. And now it's a car. And now it fell over. Okay, let's see if the safety features will stop this car. Rocky's dead. Alright, so we are gonna see if it will stop if he throws Rocky in front of the car. Rocky is dead. Oh no. Tesla killed him. There you have it, Rocky is dead. Rocky jumped out in front of the car and then he went underneath the tire and Rocky is no more, and now someone's gonna be very sad about their dog. So there you have it. What happens if a dog or any animal jumps out in front of your Tesla? Probably gonna hit it. If it's already on the road, it can see it ahead of time and then it likely won't hit it. But if something just jumps out in front, most cases it's dead. Poor Rocky is now in a better place. So now that Rocky's dead, my brother's actually volunteered to jump out in front of the car and see if Autopilot will stop the car in time. I hope it works because like if it doesn't, it's gonna damage my car and I don't want to damage my car, obviously. Okay, will Autopilot run into a human? I turn the speed down, we don't want to hit him that fast. Okay, he's walking out onto the road, we can see him there. And it is stopping. So he's getting out in the way. And the car stopped and put it in park, put the four ways on, and he's alive, unlike the dog. The dog is dead. This is actually pretty wild. So, vehicle hold disabled, four ways, take over immediately. Like, it is freaking out. Thank you, Tesla, you saved his life. So Tesla software, it can pick up cones. It will display cones on this screen here. Let's just see if we'll run into this one that we put on the road. And then it wanted to go. It sees the cone and now it's saying stop, but it was gonna keep going. Unreal. Okay, Tesla killed my dog. Tesla was gonna run over that cone after it saw it, but Tesla didn't kill a person. So I guess you could say they're getting somewhere with the whole autopilot and safety features on these cars. Just don't jump out in front of a Tesla on purpose because it probably still will hit you if you time it wrong. Safety features against people, they got it nailed. Anything else on the road, cones, probably dead. Dogs, dead. Cats, dead. But children,
relatively safe.
Relatively safe, I would say.